Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. We are going to be making a mayonnaise, but not with cashews, because I've learned that there are some of you who can't eat cashews. And so I came up with a recipe with sunflower seeds. I hope you can eat seeds. If you can, this recipe's for you. It starts off very similar to my other. It starts off with 2/3 of a cup of water plus a tablespoon. I know that seems a little bit strange, but just use that measurement. It's really perfect. 2/3 plus 1 tablespoon of water. Dump it in. To that, your blender, add 2/3 of a cup of sunflower seeds. Now these are sunflower seeds that have nothing on them. They're just raw, okay? Dump them in. Then add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. In it goes. And 2 different vinegars. 1.5 teaspoons of rice vinegar. And then 1 full teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then 1.5 teaspoons of miso. And that's kind of gummy, so get it all. Miso is a salt replacement made with soybeans. It could be made with chickpeas, brown rice, but it's salty, so it's a salt replacement. Then you put in 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Also add, I'm using a smidgen of salt and a smidgen of cayenne pepper, but a pinch of xanthan gum. Now that's going to thicken it so it'll be mayonnaise consistency, okay? Put all those in. 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Okay, that's all the ingredients. Blenderize. I'm going to stop for a minute because it splatters a lot. Make sure you have a spatula nearby and just scrape all the little chunks down in there. Because it's mayonnaise, you want it to be smooth. Make sure you have a washed out jar to put it in. And what I have found, it'll thicken as it sits in the refrigerator, and you should refrigerate it after you make it. I think I've got it almost all out. That's the last little bit. You want me to taste it, right? I always got to taste everything. Gotta. This is nice. And it's still pretty thick now. If you were to see, the spatula almost stands up straight in it, but when you refrigerate it, it will definitely stand up, and probably even a metal spoon. And this is really, really good. Use this even if you aren't even if you don't have a problem with cashews. Try this mayonnaise. It's really good. It tastes good on sandwiches and dressings and different things that you would like to, that you would use regular mayonnaise with, but now you've made your own. How long? I know one of you are going to ask me how long does it last? Doesn't last me very long, maybe a couple of weeks, pushed to the back of the refrigerator. So I hope you'll get an opportunity to make this mayonnaise and try it in your favorite recipes that use mayonnaise, okay? Now that's the end of the video. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell, and don't forget to leave me some comments below. And I'll make sure that the recipe will be below too, so you can see all the ingredients and the measurements so you can make it yourself, okay? Bye for now.